The question is, read the passage and answer the question as A, partly true or follows logically, partly untrue or opposite follows logically, or C can't say anything. The passage is, at any given moment, we are being bombarded by physical and psychological stimuli competing for one attention. Although our eyes are capable of handling more than 5 million data per second, our brains are capable of interpreting only about 500 bits per second. With similar disparities between our senses and brain, it is easy to see that select visual, auditory or tactical stimuli that we wish to compute at any specific time. The questions are 1. Physical stimuli usually win the competition from our attention. Question 2 is, the capacity of human brain is sufficient to interpret all the stimuli the senses can register under optimum conditions. Question 3 is, eyes are capable to cope up with greater input of information than ears. This question has been asked in Caritas. This question has been asked in Caritas. So this is a logical reasoning question, can be termed as analytical reasoning question, because on the basis of this passage, interpreting it, you'll have to give the solutions. Based on this passage, interpreting it correctly, you'll have to give your solutions. It is also English reasoning, verbal reasoning, English verbal reasoning, and called English is verbal reasoning. So you can classify it either logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, or a verbal reasoning. So you have to understand the question. The question is, so the passage is given. From this three, you have to, for each question you have to give either partly true, partly untrue, or can't say. Partly true, partly untrue, or can't say. So here, what it says is, although our eyes are capable of handling more than 5 million data per second, our brains are capable of interpreting only about 500 bits per second. So normally what happens is, even though eyes might see many things, we act according to what our brain says. We act according to what our brain says, and the brain is not able to interpret all the data that goes in. All the data that eyes are able to see, all the data that ears are able to see, all the data that nose is able to smell. So the brain does not take into account all that comes in, because its receiving capacity is less than the other capacities. The brain's capacity is less than the other senses capacity. Therefore, for the first condition what this says, physical stimuli win the competition for attention. Physical stimuli is seeing, hearing, speaking, all these are physical stimuli. Even feeling is a physical stimuli. But what will win the competition? It is the psychological stimuli, that is the brain will win the competition, not the physical, because we see many things, but only certain things gets registered. Only certain things get registered because the brain is willing to accept only a smaller data. Brain is willing to accept a smaller data. Therefore, physical stimuli will never win. It is only the psychological stimuli that will win. So this is false. So this first one is false. Or B. First one is false, or the answer will be B. The answer is B. False or B. Next one is, the capacity of human brain is sufficient to interpret all the stimuli the senses can register under optimum conditions. See here very specifically given, the eyes can interpret 5 million data per second. Brains are capable of only 500 bits per second. So where is millions, where is bits? 500 bits. So this is also false. Capacity of human brain is sufficient. Human brain is not sufficient to attract all the senses stimuli. So therefore, this is also B. This is also B, and this is false. And the last one, eyes are able to cope up with greater input of information than ears. Only about the eyes is mentioned. Here it mentioned only about eyes and other similar disparities between our senses and brain. So eyes is one senses, ears is one senses. Here what it says is, eyes are able to cope with greater input of information than ears. I hear a lot of things, I see many things, but the comparison is not given here. The brain is able to interpret only part of what we're able to see, part of what we're able to hear. So the distinction between eyes and ears are not given, both are physical stimuli. Therefore, because the data is not given, it is can't say or see. Can't say anything or see. This is C, can't say anything. So it is B and C. Subscribe to my channel. I will be adding questions every now and then. Wish you all the best.